Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is big juicy burgers and we'll reveal the recipe for our special sauce. Okay, we're going to make our burgers. We're going to add our onion soup mix, our Worcestershire to our ground beef. I like to use an 80-20 ground beef, which keeps it nice and juicy. Mix with your hands, but don't mix it too much, otherwise it will get tough. I'm going to score the ground beef. I'm going to section it off into 4 pieces. And then each piece we're going to form into our patties. I like to get my hands wet before I do this so it doesn't stick to my hands. And you're going to make the patties about an inch thick, and you want them to be a bit bigger than the buns that you're using. With your thumb, you're going to make an indent about 1/4 of an inch thick in the middle of each patty. Place these in the refrigerator until you're ready to grill them. You're going to grill over medium-high heat. And you're going to flip your burgers about 3 to 4 minutes into grilling. And then you're going to continue to cook until the internal temperature is around 155. You can grill your buns, brush some butter on both pieces, and then you're going to grill them for about 1 minute and then set aside. Now we're going to make our secret sauce. We're going to mix our mayonnaise with some ketchup. Then we're going to add our yellow mustard. Our sweet chili sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, vinegar, and some salt. Stir that all up. And we'll place this in the refrigerator until we're ready to use this on our burger. You can also use this sauce for dipping your French fries. It tastes great. To assemble our burger, add our secret sauce, and any other fixings you like. Our patty with our cheese, and it's ready to eat. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.